Struggling with getting the exposure just right on your Sony ZV-1 II? Whether your photos are too bright or too dark, mastering exposure settings is key to capturing the world as you see it. Exposure in photography is determined by three key elements: ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. Together, they form the exposure triangle, balancing light to achieve perfect shots. ISO measures your camera's sensitivity to light. Navigate to ISO setting in your camera menu. For bright conditions, a lower ISO like 100 prevents overexposure. In dim settings, increase the ISO to capture more light. Aperture controls the amount of light entering through the lens. For depth of field and light control, select Aperture Priority Mode. A lower F number lets in more light, ideal for low-light scenes, while a higher F number is perfect for bright environments. Shutter speed determines how long the camera's shutter remains open. A faster shutter speed, found in Shutter Priority Mode, is crucial for freezing motion without blur, particularly useful in bright light to avoid overexposure. For quick adjustments, use Exposure Compensation. This allows you to darken or lighten your shots without changing other settings, giving you the flexibility to quickly adapt to changing light conditions. With your Sony ZV-1 II now adeptly set up for any lighting condition, you're ready to capture the world in all its glory.